Hello YouTube. Just received package from AliExpress. I know what this is. I order some things from our future BLV MGN 3D printer. So we will see this after. The first thing I ordered is the clone of the Mosquito Hotend from Triumph Labs, if my memory is good. No, from Mellow. I mismatched Mellow and Triumph Labs. So this is the Mosquito Hotend clone from Mellow. As you can see, like the Mosquito, really small heat cool zone, because just like the Mosquito, the transfer zone is really tiny, and you can do that because the heat block is mechanically attached by 4 other points. So the heat break just care about heat. That's all. As you can see, got a E3D V6 attachment. I think I'm gonna use this because if you remember well, when I unboxed the metal part for the BLV MGN, it got a support for E3D V6 Hotends. I took the heat block with copper version because apparently it can go with much higher temperatures. I say why not? There was not much difference, maybe few bucks. Anyway, quality seems really good. Fortunately I cannot see. Gonna have to mitigate that for next time. We'll see, but I think I will use this one instead of the E3D clone that is provided with the BLV kit, BLV MGN kit. So with it I got a 0.4 copper nozzle. Is it really 0.4? Damn. I don't know if you... yeah, it's written there, 0.4. Should add lamp next time. And some screw to fix it, and a clamp for the bottom tube. Okay, great. I also bought a 24 volt heat cartridge. I like this one because you got this adapter, so you can, if you dismantle your whole extruder, you can just unplug it, and that's it. Very cool. I like it. And so it's 24 volt, 50 watts, 6 by 18. I was not sure about the size to take, if it was 18 or 22, but not yet. Good choice. They said for the clone is for the crazy, they call it NF Crazy. Okay, so that's great. And Same thing, I took a thermistor 100 150 degrees Celsius thermistors. Should be 100K thermistor. And oh shit, seems to not to fit. Damn. Let's see. No, really, it can go inside. Okay, so this one cannot go into the crazy NFC. I'm gonna have to buy another one quickly. Okay. Let's pack it. I hope it performs really well. Yep. As you can see, already some fitting at the end. And for those who wonder if they may try to use a 12 volts heat cartridge with a 24 volts print, no, definitely no, because even if the cartridge can handle it, the problem is the cartridge will heat up too much, and so the PID won't be able to tune. Even if you try to retune, the PID won't be able to handle, because there will be so much variations. Anyway, the second part I bought is the expansion card for SKR 1.3, 1.4, etc. To get an ESP8266 to be able to install RepRap firmware on a SKR mainboard. But unlike the other one, this one can also you can also plug the screens on it. You still have the expansion board. So I'm gonna test this one, because if this works, then maybe that means Big Git Tech do another expansion card that you plug into the expansion board of the ES car to add 3 more stepper drivers. So that means that you may have, I don't remember if it's 8 or 9, a total of 8 or 9 stepper drivers. So we'll see. You got the cable to plug it on the card. This one for the TX-RX. And this one in case you need to do some other thing, just like I don't know, flashing or updating. Anyway, that's all for now. As I said, I'm gonna order another one. I'm waiting for for a heat bed, because I know that the one provided with the kit is unfortunately too crappy, so I bought another one, cheap one. We will see how it does. Thank you, bye bye, see ya.